Looking for the best smart thermostat to save energy and upgrade your home comfort? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 smart thermostats that actually make your life easier, better control, smarter features, and real energy savings. If you want a thermostat that works for you, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's find the perfect smart thermostat for your home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. ecobee Smart Thermostat. The ecobee Smart Thermostat, one of the most popular smart thermostats for modern homes. This device is designed to help you stay comfortable while using energy more efficiently, all through a clean touchscreen and a powerful mobile app. What really sets ecobee apart from many other smart thermostats is its smart room sensor technology. Instead of only reading the temperature where the thermostat is mounted, ecobee balances temperatures across the rooms you actually use. That means fewer hot and cold spots and more consistent comfort throughout your home. The pros are easy to see. It offers intelligent scheduling, voice assistant compatibility, and detailed energy reports that help you understand your usage. Installation is straightforward for most homes, and once it's set up, daily use is very simple. The main downside is that some advanced features take time to fully learn, especially for first-time smart thermostat users. In real-world use, ecobee does an excellent job of quietly working in the background, adjusting temperatures automatically and reducing wasted energy. It's especially good for families, remote workers, and anyone who wants comfort without constant manual adjustments. If you're looking for a smart thermostat that combines comfort, automation, and long-term efficiency, ecobee is a strong choice. See the description for more details. Number 2. Google Smart Thermostat. The Google Smart Thermostat, a smart home upgrade designed to make heating and cooling easier, more efficient, and more hands-off than ever before. This thermostat connects seamlessly with the Google Home ecosystem, allowing you to control your home's temperature using your phone or simple voice commands. It learns your daily routine, adjusts temperatures automatically, and helps reduce wasted energy when you're away. The clean, modern display fits naturally into almost any home, giving you both style and function. So why is the Google Smart Thermostat better than many others? Simplicity. It focuses on what actually matters: easy setup, smart scheduling, and reliable performance. You don't need to be tech-savvy to use it, and everything is managed through a simple app that's easy to understand. Pros include energy-saving automation, remote access, Google Assistant compatibility, and a user-friendly interface. Cons may include fewer advanced customization options compared to high-end models, and limited compatibility with some older HVAC systems. In my analysis, this thermostat shines for everyday homeowners who want smart features without complexity. To use it, install the thermostat, connect it to Wi-Fi, set your preferences in the app, and let it handle the rest automatically. It's good because it saves energy, improves comfort, and works quietly in the background. It's not ideal if you want deep technical controls or advanced system tuning. Overall, the Google Smart Thermostat is perfect for families, renters, and smart home beginners who want dependable performance and easy control. See the description for more details. Number 3. Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat. The Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat, a trusted name in home comfort that focuses on reliability, simplicity, and smart control. This thermostat is designed to give you precise temperature control while helping reduce energy waste. It connects to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to control heating and cooling directly from your smartphone. You can adjust schedules, monitor usage, and manage your home comfort whether you're on the couch or away from home. What makes the Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat better than many competitors is its balance of smart features and ease of use. It doesn't overwhelm you with complicated menus, yet it delivers accurate temperature control and dependable performance. Honeywell's long-standing reputation in home climate systems also adds a level of trust many newer brands don't offer. Pros include reliable performance, simple setup, strong app support, and compatibility with popular smart home platforms. Cons may include fewer advanced automation features compared to high-end models, and a design that focuses more on function than flash. My analysis: This thermostat is great if you want smart functionality without complexity. It's easy to use. Install it, connect it to Wi-Fi, set your schedule, and let it manage comfort automatically. Overall, it's a solid choice for homeowners who value reliability, energy efficiency, and straightforward smart control. See the description for more details. Number 4. Emerson Smart Thermostat. The Emerson Smart Thermostat, a reliable and user-friendly option designed to bring smarter climate control into your home. This thermostat focuses on what matters most: comfort, energy efficiency, and ease of use. It connects seamlessly to Wi-Fi, allowing you to control your home temperature from anywhere using your smartphone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just relaxing on the couch, you stay in control at all times. So why is the Emerson Smart Thermostat better than many others? First, it's known for its strong compatibility with most HVAC systems, making installation straightforward. It also supports popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control when you need it. Pros include a clean display, accurate temperature readings, flexible scheduling, and dependable performance. On the downside, it focuses more on practicality than flashy extras, which may not appeal to users who want advanced automation features. Personally, I think this thermostat does exactly what it promises. It's easy to set up, simple to use, and consistently delivers comfort while helping manage energy usage. To use it, just install the unit, connect it to Wi-Fi, set your schedule, and let it handle the rest. Overall, it's a smart choice for homeowners who value reliability and simplicity. It's especially suitable for families, renters, and anyone upgrading from a traditional thermostat. See the description for more details. Number 5. Meross Smart Thermostat. The Meross Smart Thermostat, a smart home upgrade designed to make heating and cooling simpler, smarter, and more efficient. The Meross Smart Thermostat connects seamlessly with Wi-Fi and works with popular platforms like Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. That means you can control your home temperature using your phone or just your voice, whether you're at home or away. It also offers scheduling features, allowing you to set automatic temperature changes based on your daily routine. So why is this better than many other smart thermostats? Meross focuses on reliability and ease of use. The app is clean, responsive, and beginner-friendly, without overwhelming menus or complicated setup steps. Pros include strong Smart Assistant compatibility, stable Wi-Fi performance, and accurate temperature control. Cons are that it's more focused on core features, so it may lack advanced learning algorithms found in higher-end models. My analysis? This thermostat does exactly what most homeowners need: smart control without unnecessary complexity. Setup is straightforward: install the unit, connect it to the app, and customize your schedule. It's good for everyday comfort and energy awareness, but not ideal for users who want deep automation. Overall, the Meross Smart Thermostat is perfect for smart home beginners, families, and anyone wanting simple, reliable control. See the description for more details. Level up your videos, like and subscribe.